It's all right, Daddy.
Slow down. Okay. Hey, Mommy.
I'm going already.
Here they go.
Come through the kitchen so I can get you.
I can't believe how good you were.
See the cookies The cookies are done.
What in the world is that? How in the world did Santa know that? Two Molarises? What in the world?
So now I'm with you, right? How about we race us?
That's a good idea.
Maybe this player should go fast as your player.
Maybe.
Maybe faster. Me and I installing this because and presents.
Abby,
Yes.
You got it. You and Alex and Alex.
How about everybody find one present? Can you find your name?
I'm already.
Trey, let me see.
Here's
Yay.
my name.
Let me see.
Where you at?
Yep, that one's from Santa. Trey, that one's from Mommy and Daddy, I think.
Oh my God!
What is it? What is it?
Arthur Christmas time!
Here's mine.
Can someone find one for Emmy? That's actually from Graham's, Trey.
Look what Tommy got. It's time, Tommy. Now you can watch it whenever you want.
Yep, there's one for you, Emmy.
All right. Now when you open stuff,
What
here.
is this?
What the heck is that? Well, let's see. Let me show you.
Here's what's for Alex. No, I already opened it.
Alex opened something. He wants to know what the heck this is. Let me show you. You are going to love it.
Can I open mine?
Yeah, actually, we should know. Well, we can, but we should just start
A
opening
piggy
presents.
bank.
A piggy
Yeah,
bank.
your very own
Alex,
piggy
Check
bank.
this out, buddy.
No, I know.
Yeah, it's a slingshot.
Emmy, do you know what that is?
A slingshot.
Are those binoculars? Real binoculars, Emmy.
Oh, try to hold like this.
It doesn't stick.
All right, how about everybody look at Mommy and say Merry Christmas?
Here's one for you. Right, here's one for you. Thanks. Here's my rabbit. Here's my
Well,
rabbit.
why don't you guys keep opening presents? Here, let's, I'll keep these balls. Andy, did you open those?
Yeah. Yay!
Real binoculars. For you guys to look at the deer.
I got some too, I think so.
Oh my gosh. Those are going to be awesome.
I got
I should get a garbage bag going so we can see it.
I got an Angry Bird coloring book.
Yay!
Awesome, Trey.
Oh, I got that too.
Another one with your name, Emmy?
You got binoculars too?
Hey, here he is.
Oh.
I think these are good.
Yeah, those are real binoculars. They're going to work so good.
A duck float.
A jump rope, Emmy.
Yeah, duck float.
Alex, that was from Graham's, honey.
I know
That's
it. Real
nice.
binoculars.
I don't believe you guys got
Yes,